Good morning to all. In this video, we will basically discuss about the plate tectonic movement and the movement of Indian plates. It was Mackenzie, Parker and Morgan who has independently proposed the concept of plate tectonic. The tectonic plates are also called the lithosphere plates. It is a massive irregularly shaped slab of solid rocks which are composed of both the continent and the oceanic lithosphere. The lithosphere includes the crust and the top mantle with the thickness varying from 5 to 10 km in the oceanic area, whereas it can go up to 200 km in the continental area. A plate may be a continental plate or an oceanic plate depending on which of the two occupy the larger portion. For example, here you can see the Pacific plate, which is an oceanic plate, because here the ocean occupies a larger portion, whereas on the other hand, this plate, as you can see, the continent occupies a larger portion, whereas the ocean occupies a small one. Thus, it is termed as a continental plate. According to the plate tectonic theory, the whole lithosphere is broken into a number of small plates, and these plates are continuously moving in some direction. They have a relative direction of motion. Depending on the relative motion of plates, they form three different kinds of plate boundaries. First plate boundary is the divergent boundary or the zone of divergence. Here, the two plates have the tendency to move away from each other. When they do so, they create a new crust. The side from where the crust or the plate move away from each other, this side is called a spreading side. The second plate boundary is the zone of convergence or the convergent boundary. Here, the plate have the tendency to come towards each other. When they do so, one plate dives under the another. The point where the sinking of the plate takes place is called the subduction zones. In some cases, when the two plates come towards each other, they collide. When they collide, the Himalayas or the formation of mountains takes place. The third boundary is the transform boundaries. This happens when the two plates slide past each other. The point from where they slide past each other is called the transform. Now we shall discuss about the movement of the Indian plates. It is very interesting to know that India was initially a part of the Australian continent. When Pangaea broke, India got detached from the Australian continent and it started moving northward about 200 million years ago. About 40 to 50 million years ago, India got collided with Asia, and this collision led to the rapid upliftment of the Himalayas. Thus, Himalayas are the result of the collision of two plates, that is Asia and the Indian plates.